Hey there guys, today I'm going to be making a tutorial about how to make your logo free online. No photo, you don't have to use Photoshop. First you're going to type in photopea.com. It's a site like Photoshop and actually easier. You could make your own logo online. So when you're done with that, click on new project. When you're done, make sure that the width is 500 guys, and the same with the height. The height should be 500 also. And the background should be transparent. Then click create. Then go to the zoom bar and make sure that it's on the plus and click only one time guys. Then when you're done with that, go to Google and write radial backgrounds and choose any image that you like, and make sure that the image has no watermark, so it will be very ugly if it had a watermark. But I already have an image, so when you are done with that, go to file and then go to open, and then go to the radial background that you choose and click open. So now I want to write the text, but first I have to make a circle, so you should go to the rectangle option, go to the ellipse or the circle option, and make a circle. You can make it big or small, but I like to make it big. Then you go to fill and choose the X option, then put the circle in any position you want, and when you are done with that, go to blending options and then go to outer glow. Sorry guys, just go to outer glow, go to graded, and make sure that the color is black, not yellow. Then then click on normal, and I'm just showing you guys the options that you can make and how it could look like. You can make the size like 81, 37, anything you want, and you can make the noise on 100%, and you can make it on 0%. I'm just showing you the option guys if you like it, and the opacity on 0% if you don't want anything. But what I am going to do is I'm gonna make the spread on 100%, and the size will be on 15%. So how about 19%? I think 19% is better. Yeah, 19 is better. Yeah, it looks much better. Now when you're done with that, we want to add the text. So click on the text, click, and make sure that the text is on 150. Oh, I just deleted the text on accident, so I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna click on text, click in anywhere in this circle, then I'm gonna write "it's all for fun." You probably guys can't see it because it's too small. Then I go to the select option and put it in the middle so you guys could see it. And I want to make sure that "it's all for fun" would be big. The word "it's all for fun" will be big, so I made it on 150 px. Then I went to the select option, and then I wanted to change the style of the writing, so I searched for Photopea display because I really love Photopea display. It makes the channel, it makes the words look very good. Then I wanted to make the word "it's all for fun" on Photopea display. So I selected it all, then made it on Photopea display. Then after I selected it, I turned it into the white color, the color white. Then when I was done with that, I put it in the middle, and then I selected it again and made the word "it's all for fun" in the middle. Now the word is all for fun looks a bit boring. I just wanted it to look, yeah, that's better. When I went to outer glow, it became a little bit black by itself because I already done it in the circle. So that's it, guys. Now let's save the image. We will go to File, Export as PNG, and when you're done with that, make sure that the width is 500, like I said, guys, and the height is 500. So it became a equal size square. Then click on and make sure that the quality, yeah, is 100, and click on save, and it will be saved in the downloads. Goodbye, guys, and I hope you liked the video.